Hi guys, it's Lisa. I am very excited to show you what I received from Creative Studios. This is my first of 3 boxes from Creative Studios. It's a monthly subscription service that specializes in paper crafting and stamps and anything that is incredibly cute. So I did take a peek. I probably opened up the box at the wrong end, but there is their label and everything comes wrapped up in a really nice package. I did take a little peek because it's my first box. I wanted to look at everything before I showed you all. I will leave the details down below what I paid for this box. I thought it was really reasonably priced. You buy directly through their website. You don't go through Cratejoy or any other service. And you're gonna like this one. Let me show you what I got. So the first thing I pulled out is a charm. It's a little stack of books. You see that? This would be nice as an insert to a journal where you hang it from a ribbon, or you can put it on a keychain. So this is the theme of the box, is books. The next thing I'm pulling out is double wide, really wide wasabi tape. And it's a bunch of bugs, like moths, beetles. It's just really nice quality. It's still wrapped up in its plastic and it's made in China. It's by Twilight and it's just tape you can use for decoration. You can use it on a binding. You can use it to decorate journal pages or scrapbooking. I think it's just really cool. I like the designs very much. Then there is a package of cutouts. And from what I can see, it is flowers and various birds. They call it Deco Sticky. Let's see, I can open it and show you. So this is really good for journaling pages, stationery, decorating photo album. I mean, there's a lot in here. Check that out. I'm dropping it. But it's peel off backs. And it's just really subdued photos. There's a lot of pieces in here. I would say at least 25 to 50. Various things like birds, flowers. So yeah, you would just take off the sticky back and stick it on. I think in the scrapbooking journaling world, it's called ephemerals. I'm not really sure. Roses. Oops. I'll show you one more. It seems to be at least 30 pieces in here. So I'll put that back in the envelope after the video. Then they inserted a bunch of stamps. These are the stamps that you peel off and stick on the back of an acrylic block. And I had showed you the acrylic block that I purchased really cheap. You can get it for 40% off at Hobby Lobby or Michael's. You just take the stamp, peel it off, and this side right here would go on the acrylic block, and you would put the ink on here. So that's really cool. There are 7 stamps. And in one of my videos, I left a bunch of links to some of my favorite journaling channels and stamping channels. And one of them showed that, you know, other than ink, you could also use, you can take old magic markers and draw it on the back of your stamps and then use that to stamp. You can even use watercolors, so you don't have to use just ink. But I like inks. Here is some more wasabi tape, washi tape. I don't know why I'm calling it wasabi, washi tape. And it's just a little design. Looks very vintage looking, like Art Deco-y. It's very hard for me to get it on camera for you to see it. But washi tape, not wasabi tape. Okay, there's more. I'm telling you, this is my new favorite box. I just saw an unboxing like a few months ago and I'm like, I immediately subscribed to this box. These are little verses for very little people. It's also made in China. It's a pad of various papers. And the papers are blank on one side and have pictures on the other. So it's up to you how to use this. Some people just might want to use it as a pad. I'm going to use it for journaling. I just really, really like the designs. And the nice thing about this pad, it seems like of each design there's four prints of each design. Here's one that says deep in the forest, in a forest glen. It's the poem. Here's one of mother and child. Looks like an old advertisement that you might find in an old newspaper. Here's 2 girls reading. So these are very vintage papers. Here's one of Santa Claus. I'm just loving these. I can think of so many ways to decorate junk journals with these sheets of paper. Here's a fairy song. It's a little poem with fairies. So definitely very cool vintage pad of paper. Doesn't say how many sheets, but they are 10 by 14 centimeters. Maybe 60 sheets. This says 60 there, but everything is in Chinese. So that is really cute. Paper pad for crafting. Here are rub-ons. I think these are rub-ons. No, they're stickers. They're stickers. You know, there could be a card with directions of everything. Yeah, that's the problem. With this box, I noticed she didn't provide me a card of what I actually received. I think it was omitted by mistake from the box. Here are stickers, like old sheet music. Just vintage papers, but they're stickers. And another one. And another one. So yeah, those are stickers. These are stickers, I believe. These are I think these are rub-ons. So there's at least 2 sheets in this, I think. It's hard to say. It is sealed. Well, I can take it out really easily for you. So I believe these are transfer printing stickers. They are. So these are, I believe, rub-ons. I'm going to have to Google directions on how to use them. But really nice. I like it. Then, there's more. I'm telling you, this little box just came packed full of stuff. These are paper scraps for journaling. So it's a pad of individual papers. Isn't that pretty? Birds. Poems. Looks like a flower poem. So it just makes you realize, you know, you can get papers from so many sources. Obviously, if you're looking through a magazine and you see cool things like this, you can cut it out. So there's a pad of that. 2 more things. This is called, it says A Last Time. I'm not really sure what this is. It's, oh wow. It's little papers for journaling. A whole book of them. And this is like the see-through paper. What do they call it? Like vellum? They're not solid. You can see through the other end. So it's a whole book of vellum little papers of various things. Really pretty. And then the last thing included in the box is this little mini journal. I watched another channel unboxing and of the same thing. She said she was going to make this into a necklace, which is a great idea. I don't know what I'm going to do with mine, but it's a little book, a little leather book, something that one would make. And how do you open? Oh, I see. You have to kind of loosen. Oh no, you just slip this off. You just slip that off. And it's a little book. And it's a piece of leather. There's the middle of the book. And little papers. All made of leather. I just think it's just so precious. And here's the inside piece. I'm going to put it back together. There you go. So that's the box from Your Creative Studios. I wish the pricing will be down below. It was pretty reasonable. So this was my first box, and after I got this, I went and I signed up for a 3-month subscription because I was just like, this is just so much goodness in one little box. I really thought it was different kind of stuff. I'm into this vintage looking, unique looking papers and washi tapes and stickers. So let me know what you think of it. And if you're interested, go ahead and click the link and check out Your Creative Studios. So that is it. If you haven't done so already, I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel. Just hit that red subscribe button and give me a like, give me a comment, and let me know what you thought of the box. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Take care. Bye.